Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle's STEM Journey. I'm Michelle and I'm here today with another AMC Problem of the Week video. This week's video comes from the year 2003, 10A, Problem 14, and it deals with algebra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. The problem states that let n be the largest integer that is the product of exactly three distinct prime numbers d, e, and 10d plus e, where d and e are single digits. What is the sum of the digits of n? So basically it says that they're all prime and d and e are single digits. Well, there's only so many single digit prime numbers, so we can just list them out. So for example, D, it would have the choice of 2, 3, 5, and 7. These are the single digit prime numbers. And E, there's the same 4. Well, it tells us that first of all, n wants to be the largest integer that's a product of these 30. So we want 10D plus E to be at its largest. But 10d plus e also must be a prime number. Well, in this case, e would be the single digit for this number right here, because it doesn't matter what you multiply 10 by, any single digit. Any of these 4 is going to give you a 2-digit number, and then you plus e, so the e is always going to be the single digit. Well, we already know now that e cannot be 2 or 5, because again, it doesn't matter which number you multiply 10 by. If you add 2 to it, it's going to be divisible by 2. Or it's not specifically just 2, but it's not going to be a prime number. And then same goes for 5. So that leaves us down to only 2 possible choices for e, which is 3 and 7. Well, since we want 10d plus e to be at its largest, then we would choose 7 because that's the largest. So we would get 70. And then plus e. Well, e, we already know it's only either going to be 3 or 7. So we can just try 7 first, since we want n to be largest, or 10d plus e to be largest. So we would get 70 plus 7, which is 77. Well, we know that 77 is not a prime number, as it can be divisible by 7 and 11, so we cannot choose 7 for e. So we can try 3, so it'd be 70 plus 3, which is 73. And yes, 73 is a prime number. So that means that 10d plus e is 73, d is 7, e is 3. And it wants us to figure sum of the digits of n, and it tells us that n is the largest integer that is a product of these 3 numbers. So we can just multiply these two together, or these 3, 73 times 7 times 3, which is 73 times 21, which gives us 1,533. And then we can just add these digits up. Okay, so the sum of the digits of n is 12, so the answer is A.